Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to start a new series. It's going to be called the Pop-Up Chronicles, and if you're wondering why, it would be because I just bought a pop-up camper about a week ago. So this is going to be kind of like the tour of the pop-up. It needs a lot of updating, but I got a really good deal on it, pretty much a steal. It's pretty big. So I'll give you guys a quick little tour of it so you can see it, and then I will show you guys videos of the transformation between flooring, counters, cabinets, all that kind of stuff. It's gonna be really exciting, so let me show you around. So first off, here is the exterior. It's in pretty good shape. The canvas is in good shape. It has a couple areas that I think need to be patched, but nothing too bad. The guy gave me a fridge to go with it. It has two pull-out king bunk ends, which is really cool. And then if you come over here, it has a 20-gallon tank, which is over here. It has a slide out for the dinette. Let me see if I can get past this. It also has, this is for when you plug in at sites, and then I think back where the water tank was, it has an outdoor shower. So the inside will go in a minute. I actually already bought all of my linens from Target, which is what all this is. It was 30% off, so it was hard to pass up. So all that's the linens. It has it's 4 beds in it. So if we walk in, we already took the mattresses off. I already told you guys that, but we took the mattresses off because they've been with it the whole time. This is a 20-year-old pop-up camper. It's a Coleman, Utah, made in 2000. So it's 20 years old. I'm gonna put new mattresses in it. It has the slide-out dinette, which folds down into like a twin/slash full-size bed. Then on each side is a king bed, like I said. It has the sink, and this is an indoor stove. It also has an outdoor stove, and then this just kind of like pulls down. We're airing it out right now, so it pulls down so that when you pop it down, it's on the floor. And there's more storage right here. That's the canopy. It needs a new canopy, but that's the canopy, like the enclosed canopy. So more storage here. This is almost like a futon couch. It slides down into a couch, or into a bed. There's more storage underneath it as well. There's storage underneath both the benches here. So I mean, it's gonna be fun. I'm doing all new curtains. The flooring is fine, but I wanted to update it a little bit. I'll show you guys the flooring. It's out here. It's from Costco. So yeah, basically I got this really cool pop-up camper that's really large, and I'm gonna be able to take friends camping, and I'm super excited, and I didn't spend much. So throughout the next few weeks, months, whatever, I'm going to be posting some videos sporadically about renovating it. We actually pulled the mattresses out because it turns out they have a cover, so we might try and wash them and just replace the foam on the inside. And we'll see how it goes. So stick around if you want to see the renovation between this 2000 Coleman, Utah camper into what I'm going to turn it into. So let's see how it goes.